To factory reset iPhone 16e, you will have to start by opening Settings. Right now, you will have to search for General and Open. When you do this, you will have to start scrolling. And as you can see right here, we can find Transfer or Reset iPhone, but do not select Reset. You have to select Erase all content and Settings. And right now, you can find all of those information, so it will actually sign out your Apple account and remove all your personal data. So be sure that before you actually start this, that you back up all of your data or transfer this data into your PC or some other drives, because you will lost everything. So then you'll have to click continue, and if you are really sure, select erase iPhone, and you have to follow on-screen instructions. So if you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.